Yes, now we are going to collect the water sample. This is our water sample in which there are different type of solids already present. You can see the color of this sample is very turbid and it is whitish in color. Now we are going to collect the sample. So exactly 100 ml of the sample is to be collected. Glass funnel up to. So first of all I have shaken the material very properly, water sample is shaken properly, and now exactly I am going to draw 100 ml of the water sample. Okay, so this will be for our total solid determination. So for that we have to only collect the sample in 100 ml quantity, and then after we will put it in the oven for overnight heating. So that is enough. So this is for our total solid estimation. You can see that 100 ml is already taken in this beaker. Now I am going to place this beaker in the oven for overnight. Now for another two practicals, total solids and suspended solids, what we are going to do. First of all we have to take one now 100 ml quantity in measuring. Exactly we will take 100 ml of the quantity of this water sample after shaking it properly. So I have already collected the sample, you can see in measuring cylinder. Now I will use glass funnel and also my filter paper which I have already weighted properly, and now I will make it moisten with little amount of water, so my filtration will become very fast. So after moistening it properly I will keep this filter paper in this glass funnel properly, and now I am trying to filter this material out very slowly. There should not be leakage of material or water sample from the filter paper. So that is why it requires enough of the time to filter it out. You can see the drops are now started falling down in the flask. You can see very nicely. So the entire process is to be done perfectly, and after completion of this process, first of all we will collect this filter paper. Okay, and then after this filter paper will be spreaded over the petri dish, and then petri dish is to be kept in the oven for overnight, not for overnight but for 2 hour heating. That is enough for heating of the small amount of solids on filter paper. Otherwise if you keep filter paper for overnight heating, what will happen, that filter paper will burn. Okay, so we are not going to get proper result. So it is only for 2 hours we are going to keep it in the oven. And rest of the thing, that is about the filtrate. Now this filtrate is to be kept for overnight heating in the oven. So there is no problem with that because it is having water, and it will be kept in the beaker which is made up of glass material. So 2 beakers are to be kept for overnight heating, and the material which is found in the filter paper, that is the suspended solids, is kept for only 2 hours for heating.